Judicial temperament is a quality that refers to a judge's attitude and behavior towards the law, litigants, and other judges. It involves compassion, decisiveness, open-mindedness, sensitivity, courtesy, patience, freedom from bias, and commitment to equal justice. Judicial temperament is a form of restraint that appears as a truly balanced and unbiased fairness of vision, rejects rage in favor of reason, yet clinging to mercy and respect. Judicial temperament is important because it affects how justice is delivered and perceived, and how the courts are respected and trusted. Let's watch it in action. Enjoy the show. Introducing the official legend of Zoom Court, Derrick Devon Lester. What better way to elucidate what type of experience he's going to bring to a judge and the type of patience that she'll be tested for, without me just letting you see the preliminary, aka his warm-up before his case is called. Please enjoy the musical interlude and enjoy the visuals. Holla back.
Just give me the light. Just give me the light. Just give me the light.
Oh yeah, it's showtime, baby. Enjoy.
Ready? Back on the record in State of Michigan versus David Booker.
Or remembering for the people.
Good afternoon again.
Mr. Lester, you need to put a shirt on.
You done fucked up, you know that, don't you? You know you done fucked up, right? You know you done fucked up, right?
Or you're going to be removed from the meeting. Recalling your case number 2240072. This is State of Michigan versus Derrick Lester.
Or remembering for the people.
Yes, I'm here, Your Honor.
Mr. Lester, put a shirt on.
Let's see. Give me 1 second.
Judge Fresh Hour ain't playing. She's not falling for the topless Riz game that he's bringing to the table.
All right, I'm ready. I'm ready.
Mr. Lester, this is still a courtroom, so please, in the future, put on an appropriate shirt for court.
I had just got out the shower. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. I just got out the shower.
Can you state your name?
My name is Derrick Devon Lester.
Sir, you're here today because you are charged with a crime, a misdemeanor. You're currently not represented by an attorney. You indicated at the last hearing that you had an attorney that you wanted to hire. However,
yes, ma'am.
Nobody filed an appearance. So if you would wish to have the public defender's office represent you, I can appoint them.
You can, but you know what, though? I haven't had the opportunity to speak with the prosecutor, and I think we possibly can resolve this matter.
Well, Ms. Willingbring wasn't going to speak with you if you were seeking an attorney, because that would be unethical for her to do so. She was probably waiting for an attorney to contact her since you indicated that you wanted to hire an attorney.
Yeah, I was. He was representing me on a different matter. He was just like, he was a little too expensive on this matter, and I didn't have the proper amount of time to find another one yet because of my work hours. I work from
Sir,
like,
if you can't afford an attorney, the court can appoint one at the public's expense. Would you like the assistance of an attorney?
yes, you can appoint me an attorney.
Okay. I just want to confirm, is your address on Culver in Detroit?
Yes, it is, but I got my mail is forwarded to an address in Jackson. So it probably would be better if I can get any mail from the court to go to my email.
Okay, I will put you in a breakout room with your attorney and you can provide your email address to him and let us know which address you want to mail information to. You don't want it going to the Culver Street address?
No,
we have a Miriam in Jackson as well. Do you want it going to that address?
If it goes to either or, I get it. But the Culver mail is being forwarded to the Miriam address.
If you provide the court with your email address, you will get information via your email, but that won't be your court notices. Your court notices still go through the mail.
Okay.
So does your phone number end in?
Oh no, not the love potion number 9 body spray he rubbing. Somebody getting rizzed quickly.
To represent you in this matter. Mr. Crago, are you able to speak with Mr. Lester in the breakout room?
I certainly am, Your Honor.
Thank you. Can we put Mr. Crago into the breakout room with Mr. Lester?
Over 1 month later.
Michigan versus Derrick Lester.
Laura Wilmering for the people.
Assistant Public Defender Brian J. Craig on behalf of Mr. Lester. Mr. Lester, will you state your name for the record, please?
Mr. Lester, you need to remove your hat. This is still a courtroom. And you need to unmute yourself. We can't hear you.
My name is Derrick Devon Lester.
Thank you, sir. And what are we doing today, Mr. Crago?
At this time, Your Honor, after having a conversation with my client, he has indicated to me that he does, in fact, wish to retain counsel based upon our communication or lack thereof in terms of he and our ability to effectively communicate with one another. He's asking for 2 weeks so he can hire.
What was the discussion about? What was the discussion about?
It was pertaining to your courtroom behavior and decorum, and hit my advice.
Okay, you was disrespectful. You was disrespectful. And you was talking to me like I was your child. So therefore, that's where the problem lies. And no, you will not represent me.
Got me fucked up. Got me fucked up.
Very good. He's indicated that he wished. Go ahead.
Mr. Lester, you
Yes,
wish
ma'am.
to retain your own.
Yeah, I'm gonna
counsel?
go ahead and spend my money. That's what I'm gonna do. I already got.
Okay, Mr. Lester, so last time we had adjourned it about a month to give you some time. How much more time are you requesting to find an attorney? Oh. Mr. Lester, you froze, so I don't know what your response was. I indicated that I gave you about a month last time to find an attorney, and you weren't able to in that time frame. How much more time are you requesting to retain an attorney?
Hello.
Mr. Lester, can you hear me?
Hello.
I think we might have lost him, so I will pass this matter.
20 minutes later.
Are you back? Okay. Recalling State of Michigan versus Derrick Lester.
Barbara Willenbring for the people.
Assistant Public Defender Brian J. Craig on behalf of Mr. Lester.
Mr. Lester, can you unmute yourself?
He appears to be frozen again, Your Honor.
Mr. Lester, can you unmute yourself? Mr. Lester, can you unmute yourself? Can you state your name, sir? Can you state your name again, Mr. Lester?
Hello?
Can you state your name again, Mr. Lester?
Excuse me?
Can you state your name?
I can't hear you.
Can you
I
state
can't
your
hear.
name, Mr. Lester, can you state your name?
My name is Derrick Devon Lester.
Thank you, sir. We had previously adjourned your case for about a month so you can retain counsel, and you weren't able to do so. You're requesting again to retain counsel. How much additional time are you requesting?
Mm-hmm. I can't hear this breaking up.
Mr. Lester, then you need to move to a location where you can hear us.
It's not working right. I don't know why, man. Let me see something, bro.
Mr. Lester, can you hear us? Okay, I'm going to pass that. Mr. Lester, can you hear us?
Yes, I can hear you.
Okay. Recalling State of Michigan versus Derrick Lester.
Laura Willenbring for the people.
20 minutes later.
Recalling State of Michigan versus Derrick Lester.
Laura Willenbring for the people.
Thank you. Mr. Lester, can you state your name, please?
My name is Derrick Devon Lester.
Okay, you had indicated that you wanted to retain counsel in this matter and not use the public defender's office. We had previously adjourned your case for about a month to give you an opportunity to retain counsel, and you were unable to do so. How much time are you requesting for this?
I think I need another 30 days realistically.
Mr. Lester, that will be your final opportunity to retain counsel. At that point, you'll have to represent yourself or you'll have to use the public defender's office because there is a victim in this case and I can't keep adjourning it indefinitely until you can retain counsel. Do you understand that?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Are there any bond concerns, Ms. Willenbring?
No, Your Honor.
Okay, I will adjourn this to May 17th, 2022. That will be at 10 a.m.
May 17th, 2022.
At 10 a.m.
Okay, thank you.
Bond is continued. You're all set for today, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, Derrick Devon Lester. Wherever you are, whenever I touch down in Detroit, I owe you a wonderful steakhouse dinner on me. Thank you for the entertainment, my brother. Stay tuned for our open panel live stream discussion on this topic. Peace.